Hi and welcome to Pre-Calculus 12. My name is Mo and I'm glad to be your teacher in this course. I graduated from University of Manitoba with a master's degree in biomedical engineering in 2018. During the master program, I understood that I like teaching, and I also understood people like the way I teach. So since then, I started teaching math to students. I have taught pre-calculus to many students, so I exactly know what they need to focus on. I tried to make this course as simple as possible, so I avoided using any complex word and I tried to explain things in very simple language. This course starts with function and function transformation chapter. This chapter is very important. Please do not skip this chapter. This is a prerequisite chapter to all the other chapters. In this chapter, you will learn how to transform a function, how to graph a function, and what are the translations, what will happen to the equation of a function when you transform a function, and what will happen to the graph of a function. Then with that knowledge, we will jump into polynomials and radical functions. We will learn how to graph those functions and how to solve their equations. After that, we jump into trigonometry. I know this is a chapter that many students struggle with, but we try to make it simple and try to go to basic from the beginning, so it makes it easier for people to understand what we're talking about. We will learn how to graph cosine function, sine function, tangent function. We will learn how to do equations, how to solve the equations, and also how to transfer the graph of trigonometric functions. We will also learn how to prove some trigonometric identities. This is very important, and I think that's the most difficult part of trigonometry for most of students. After we finish trigonometry, which consists of 3 chapters in this course, we will go to exponential functions. In this chapter, we will learn what are the characteristics of exponential function and how we can transform them and how we can solve exponential equation. At the end, we will work on logarithmic functions. We understand what the logarithm is and how we can transform their function, how we can solve logarithmic equations, and what are the laws of logarithm. At the end of this course, you should be able to graph radical functions, polynomial functions, trigonometric functions, exponential functions, and logarithmic functions. At the same time, you should be able to transform those functions and solve their equations. I believe this course can answer your questions, and if you have any further question, I'll be happy to answer them in Q&A section. I'm super excited and I'm super happy to be your teacher. Enroll now and we will start this journey together.